In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable privacy chat on IMO. If you want a little more control over your conversations and would like to make certain chats feel more secure and private, IMO gives you a simple option to do that through its privacy chat feature. I'll walk you through the process slowly so it's easy to follow, even if this is your first time changing privacy settings in the app. To begin, open the IMO app on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so all of the menu options are visible and responsive. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Profile section and tap on it. This is where IMO keeps your personal account options, preferences, and settings. After you enter your profile area, go to Settings. This is the section where you can manage how the app works, including notifications, account preferences, and privacy-related controls. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct menu since this is where the privacy chat option is located. Inside Settings, tap on Security and Privacy. As the name suggests, this section contains the features that help protect your account and your conversations. If you're adjusting privacy options for the first time, it's a good idea to move carefully through these menus so you understand where everything is for future use. Next, select Chat and Call Privacy. This area is specifically focused on the privacy settings connected to your messages and calls. Since privacy chat is meant for individual conversations, this is the right place to find it. Now tap Privacy Chat. Once you open it, IMO will show you a list of contacts that are eligible for this setting. Choose the contact you want to enable privacy chat for. Make sure you select the correct person, especially if you have several contacts with similar names or profile pictures. As soon as you choose the contact, privacy chat will be enabled for that conversation. That means the chat will now use IMO's privacy setting for that specific contact, helping you keep that conversation more protected within the app. If you ever want to manage this again later, just return to the same privacy menu and review your selected chats. And that's it. That's how to enable privacy chat on IMO quickly and easily.